Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals strikes down Idaho's law restricting abortions after 20 weeks.
And requiring all second trimester abortions to be done in a hospital is also deemed unconstitutional. Reporter Lauren Johnson is live in studio with the latest.
Dawn and Michelle, Idaho has a law banning abortions after 20 weeks of pregnancy, but today's judgment changes that. Richard Hearn is the attorney for Jenny McCormack, a Pocatello woman who was charged with having an illegal abortion near the 20-week mark of her pregnancy.
She was poor, extremely poor, living in southeast Idaho, and there are no abortion providers of any kind within over 100 miles of her.
McCormack purchased an abortion drug over the internet and used it to terminate her pregnancy. And today's ruling by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upholds the judgment made 2 years ago when her charge was dropped.
What happened in many states, including Idaho, is the legislature tried to change 24 weeks to 20 weeks by saying that a 20-week fetus might be able to feel pain, so we will no longer use the 24-week. They passed that statute, and now the Ninth Circuit and the Federal District Court said it's unconstitutional.
Her attorney, Hearn, is also a physician and says the issue is about women's health and women's rights.
You take great comfort in knowing that women's rights are protected, more protected today than they were yesterday.
Brandy Swindell is a pro-life advocate and runs Stanton Healthcare in Boise.
We provide all of our services at no cost to the women here in the Treasure Valley and around the state of Idaho. And we want to make sure that women have access to quality health care and compassionate alternatives to abortion.
Swindell says that at 20 weeks, a fetus can feel pain.
Without question, the scientific community, the medical community is on the same page. It's tragic. Babies in the womb at 20 weeks and after can feel the pain of an abortion.
I hate to even repeat it because it's just false.
In their decision to overturn Idaho's law on banning abortions after 20 weeks is without question out of step with the scientific community, the medical community, and with what the majority of Idahoans and Americans believe.
The three-panel judge agreed the ban on abortions was unconstitutional because it restricted any abortions on non-viable fetuses. They deemed the hospitalization requirement unconstitutional because it places undue burden on a woman's ability to obtain abortions. Live in studio, Lauren Johnson, 6 on your side.